Hey guys, it's Carrie again here at HardRacing. Have you ever been out and about, you went to grab your phone and you look at it and you're running out of power, but there's no power source to be found? Or you've got your GoPro, you're out, you're filming stuff, you look, the battery's about to run down, but you actually have more things to film? Well, we've got the solution for you. GoPuck Mobile Power. Okay, so I know right now you're thinking, hey Carrie, what's a GoPuck? It's a mobile charging source. So it charges mobile phones, it charges tablets, it charges GoPros, anything that's USB powered. So I'm sure you're asking, what makes this one any different than the other ones you've seen out there? First of all, it's got two charging ports, where most of them only have one. And not only does it have two charging ports, it has one rapid and one standard charging port. So now you're asking, well, what does rapid mean? So rapid means it puts out 2 amps versus 1. On top of that, it has this active mount, which allows you to attach it to almost anything or wear it on almost anything. It's got 6,600 mega amps of juice. And to top it all off, this thing is made by the inventor of Braille batteries. Yep, and that's right. The same Braille battery that powers every Indy car on the planet. So just think about that. If they can design a battery to power a 240 mile an hour Indy car, just think of what they can do with this little thing. So it's got 2 ports. One is a rapid port, and that's 2 amp, and one is a standard port, which is 1 amp. So what that means is you can charge 2 mobile phones, you can charge a tablet and a phone, you can charge a GoPro and a phone, you can charge multiple items at a time, which is great. So here's what's included with the GoPuck. You have an active mount, you have the GoPuck, you have the USB charging for the GoPuck, and then you have this screw, which is for the camera mount. So here are the features of the GoPuck. You've got your power in for the GoPuck. You've got your power outs for your 2 devices. You've got the activation switch, and then on your front, once you turn that on, it shows you your charge status. So what that means is each bar is for 25% of the charge status. So right now we've got 3 bars solid and 1 bar blinking. And what that means is it's between 75 to 100% charged. And the cool thing is it will automatically power down unless you've got it charging something. So I know right now you're thinking, okay, that's all well and good, but how much can it charge and how many times? Well, the answer is all based on what device you're charging. For example, it can charge a GoPro 5 to 6 times. And it can charge most standard iPhones or iPods 4 to 5 times. Then on your bigger smartphones like your Galaxy 6 or your iPhone 6 Plus, it's going to charge about 2 to 3 times. And on your tablets, it's going to be about 1 to 2 times depending on how big your tablet is. And all these charge times are based on the device being turned off. Okay, so we're going to show you a couple applications for the mobile power. I'm sure everybody's done this. You get out of the car or you leave the house, you look at your phone, it's almost dead, you're out and about, you need some way to charge it. Your option is either leave it at home, which no one wants to do, leave it in your car, which no one wants to do, or plug it into your GoPuck, your mobile power, to charge it and stick it in your pocket, and you've got mobile power. And you just wrap the cord around just like so and stick it in your pocket and just like that. So the best part is now you're out and about, your phone's charging, you get a call, you get a text, whatever you need to do, get on the internet, your phone's charging, you can do all those on here and you've got power. Or say you're at the doctor's office or somewhere where you have to wait for a long period of time. You can stream some videos, surf the internet. All the meantime, your battery is not getting depleted. It's actually being powered. So these days, we're always on the move. How many times have you been in a location, for example, the airport? You look down, your phone's almost dead. You're trying to find an outlet. So, hey, you get lucky and you actually find an outlet, which is not always the case. And what happens when you do find it, you get to plug it in. You only plug it in for 10 minutes because they're calling for everyone to board the plane. Now you have a phone that's still not charged and you have to go board. So you get on the plane, there's no power source there for you to plug in, and now you don't have any way to charge your phone. That's where the GoPuck comes into play. It's there to charge and power your phone. So another scenario is you leave your house and you want to go for a ride. Whether you're going out with your buddies, you take your motorcycle out for the day, and you know what? Your phone's almost dead there, and most bikes don't have a power source for you to plug in and charge your device. So that's where, again, your GoPuck would come into play as mobile power. You can either put it in your pocket to charge your phone, or you can put it, if you have a backpack, you can put it in your jacket, you can put it on your tank bag, wherever you'd like to put it. But that way you would have power going to your phone. And another scenario is, how many times are you out and about running errands for the whole day, or even, part of the day, and your phone's almost dead or your device is almost dead, and you need to go and power it up. Well, if you're having to every time you get in the car, plug it in, then every time you get out of the car, unplug it, and that becomes a real royal pain. So having it plugged into your GoPuck would keep it charged the whole time. So you can put it in your pocket, you don't have to worry about unplugging it, and whenever you need to go use your phone or your device, it's right there with you. So with the GoPuck active mount, your possibilities are actually limitless on where you can mount this. So as you can see on our backpack, you can mount it on the outside, on the strap, so that if you're hiking, if you're on the trail biking, you've got it on the outside, but obviously you can also put it on the inside of your pack. And then for ladies, you can put it on the outside of your purse strap, or same thing, you can put it on the inside because it's small enough to fit into any of your pockets. So those were the wearable solutions. Now we're going to show you the GoPro or any active camera mount solutions. So what you can do is buy a spare active mount and connect that to your GoPro. So an extra active mount in conjunction with a GoPro tripod mount will result in this. So now what you do is you piggyback the top of the GoPuck to create this. And then you would be plugging it in here. And what that gives you is 6+ hours of record time on your GoPro. So now you can mount it to a tripod, or you can mount it to a roll cage in a car, or you can mount it to a shoulder strap or a chest strap, or you can mount it using a suction cup mount to your gas tank on the motorcycle. So no matter which way you choose to mount it, you get 6+ hours of recording time without ever having to worry about it. So now you're probably asking how long it takes to charge this. On average, it'll take about 5 to 6 hours if it's completely depleted to charge it. So we've been using these now a few weeks, and everyone loves them. It really is a game changer. Having portable power with you anytime you need it is just awesome. So for any questions or any more information, just check out our website at HardRacing.com and we'll get you taken care of.